Hello, dear students. Today we are going to study The Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 5. The scene begins with a humorous dialogue from Lancelot. The arrival of Lorenzo cuts short Lancelot's foolery, for Lorenzo orders him to go in. Left alone, Lorenzo asks Jessica how much she likes Portia, to which she replies that there is no woman in the world equal to her. The scene is set in a lighter vein which refreshes and amuses and thus heightens by contrast the seriousness of the trial scene which is to follow. So the scene begins at Belmont in a garden. The characters here are Lancelot and Jessica. Let's begin with Lancelot's speech. Yes, truly, for look you, the sins of the father are to be laid upon the children. He means to say, yes, it indeed happens that children are punished for the sins of their fathers. Therefore, I promise you, I fear you. I was always plain with you, and so now I speak my agitation of the matter. The word plain means honest. Okay, the word plain means honest. So he's meaning to say that I tell you I'm anxious about what may happen to you. I have always been honest to you, and so now I tell you about my great fear on this point. Then further he says, therefore be of good cheer, for truly I think you are damned. Damned means eternal punishment. He means to say that come on Jessica, cheer up, because I think that you're destined to be damned after death. He's trying to play the fool. Lancelot is playing the fool with Jessica. Let's see what Jessica says. I shall be saved by my husband. He hath made me a Christian. That means my husband's good deeds will save me, for he has made me a Christian. To that, Lancelot is saying, truly, the more to blame he. We were Christians in now before even as many as could well live, one by another. Means honestly, truly means honestly. Then there will be more blame on him. Because there were enough of us Christians before he converted you who could live together. This making of Christians will raise the price of hogs. Hogs means pigs. Okay, hogs means pigs. So he's saying, Lancelot is telling Jessica that if Christians are increased in this manner, it will raise the price of pigs. If we grow all to be pork eaters, we shall not shortly have a rasher on the coals for money. Rasher on the coals for money. What does that mean? Slice of bacon cooking on the fire. Okay, so he's meaning to say, why is he saying that the price of pigs will go high? That is, if we all become pork eaters, we will not get at any price a slice of bacon to cook over the coal fire. Okay, to which Jessica says, I'll tell my husband Lancelot what you say. Here he comes. She's telling him that, wait, I'm going to tell my husband. Who's that? Lorenzo. Okay, what you have just told me. Here he comes. Here Lorenzo comes. And Lorenzo enters at that time. Lorenzo, I shall grow jealous of you shortly, Lancelot, if you thus get my wife into corners. Into corners means where you can whisper together. Okay, he's telling him that I shall be jealous of you, Lancelot, if I find you talking to my wife in quiet places like these. To which Jessica says, nay, you need not fear us, Lorenzo. Means you do not have to worry. Lorenzo, you do not have to worry about us at all. Lancelot and I are out. Are out means what? Have had a quarrel. Okay, that means Lancelot and I have had a quarrel. He tells me flatly, there is no mercy for me in heaven because I am a Jew's daughter. Okay, so Jessica is complaining about Lancelot to her husband Lorenzo. What is she saying? That He has just told me that there is no place for me in heaven because I am a Jew's daughter. I am Shylock's daughter, so there is no place for me in heaven. And he says, you are no good member of the Commonwealth. For in converting Jews to Christians, you raise the price of pork. Commonwealth means what? Christian community. Now she's adding up. What is she saying? He says, that means Lancelot has just told me that you are not a good member of the Christian community, since by converting Jews to Christianity, you increase the price of pork. Lorenzo, what is he telling Lancelot? Go in, Sarah, bid them prepare for dinner. Go in, Lancelot, tell them to prepare for dinner. Lancelot, that is done, sir. They all have stomachs. Now, what does the word stomach mean? Appetite and digestion. Let's see which meaning is used over here. Lancelot is telling Lorenzo that they are all prepared for dinner because they are all hungry. Hungry is the word used here, okay? Now, Lorenzo, goodly lord, what a wit snapper are you? Then bid them prepare dinner. Wit snapper means what? A comedian character, okay? So, Lancelot is telling Lorenzo that what a comic character are you? Then tell them to prepare dinner. Lancelot, that is done too. Sir, only cover is the word. Now the word cover has two meanings. That is to place the dishes on the table and to put on your hat. To place the dishes on the table and to put on your hat. Now let's see what is the meaning of cover here. That is done to means what? That the dinner is ready. So only cover is the word. That means you just need to tell them to lay the table. You just need to tell them to lay the table. Lorenzo, will you cover then, sir? That means, will you order the tables to be covered with the dishes, sir? Will you order the table to be covered with the dishes, sir? Lancelot, not so, sir, neither. I know my duty. What does that mean? This means what? No, sir, I will not. Okay, why is he saying that? I know my duty. That means, pay attention to this please. I am responsible enough not to put on my hat to cover my head in the presence of my superior. Okay, I repeat, I am responsible enough not to put on my hat to cover my head in the presence of my superior. Lorenzo, yet more quarreling with occasions means still more arguments on the use of words. More arguments on the use of words. Wilt thou show the whole wealth of thy wit in an instant? Means now are you trying to show your wisdom all at once? Okay, that means you have too much knowledge of vocabulary, too much knowledge of English words. So all that you're going to show within this mean time only. I pray thee, understand a plain man in his plain meaning. That means what? Try to understand a simple person who speaks simple language. Go to thy fellows, bid them cover the table, serve in the meat, and we will come into dinner. Means what? Go to your fellow servants, tell them to lay the table and serve the food. We will come in and have the dinner. Lancelot, for the table, sir, it shall be served in. For the meat, sir, it shall be covered. For your coming into dinner, sir, why? Let it be as humors and conceits shall govern. Humors and conceits means your wish. Okay, so the meaning here is the table, sir, will be brought in. Okay, the food will be spread. As for your time of coming in to have dinner, let that be up to your wish. Let that be up to your wish. Exits and Lancelot goes out. Okay, now Lorenzo. Oh dear discretion, how his words are suited. Means what a discretion in the choice of words. How befitting are his words. Okay. The fool hath planted in his memory an army of good word. An army means a lot of good words. Good vocabulary he's got means, okay. That means the line meaning is the fool has a good stock of words in his mind. The fool has a good stock of words in his mind. And I do know many fools that stand in better place, garnished like him, that for a tricksy word defy the matter. What is he meaning to say? There are many higher ranking men in life than this fool. They are foolish and without discretion as he is. They abandon the sense of the meaning in order to use big words with pun. Pun is what? Words having different meanings. Okay, how cheerest thou, Jessica? Means how are you, Jessica? And now, good sweet, say thy opinion. How dost thou like the Lord Bassanio's wife? Means Lorenzo is asking Jessica's views about Portia. He's asking her, give me your opinion on Lord Bassanio's wife. Okay, Jessica, past all expressing. Means words are not enough to express my admiration. Please pay attention to this. My words are not enough to express my admiration for Portia. It is very meet the Lord Bassanio live an upright life for having such a blessing in his lady. Okay, the word upright means honorable. Upright means honorable. So here Jessica is meaning to say it will be necessary for Lord Bassanio to live an upright life, since he has a blessing in his wife. He finds the joys of heaven here on earth, meaning he has the joys of heaven here on the earth. And if on earth he do not mean it, then in reason he should never come to heaven. Meaning is, if he does not value the joy while on earth, he cannot expect to go to heaven to enjoy such joys. Now she's giving an example over here. Why? If two gods should play some heavenly match, and on the wager lay two earthly women, and Portia won, there must be something added, pawned with the other. For the poor rude world hath not her fellow. The meaning is, imagine two gods were to play some game of skill. Two gods were to play some game of skill and have earthly women as prizes in the contest. And if Portia were one of the two, there would have to be some more value added to the other woman, or else the stakes would be unequal. For this whole world does not have Portia's equal. Whole world does not have Portia's equal. Lorenzo, even such a husband hast thou of me as she is for a wife. Now he's praising himself over here. Okay, he's telling Jessica that you have a husband in me who has all the good qualities which you have just described in Portia as an ideal wife. Jessica, nay, but ask my opinion too of that? No, but you should ask my opinion on that remark you have just made. Okay, to which Lorenzo says, I will Annen. Annen means what? Soon. Okay, I will Annen. Annen means soon. First let us go to dinner. Means I will consult you soon. I will consult you soon, but first let us go and have the dinner. Jessica, nay, let me praise you while I have a stomach. Now the word stomach has the meaning that inclination to praise you and also appetite for dinner. Let's see which meaning is used over here. Okay, Jessica is saying, you may let me praise you while I'm inclined to do so. While I'm wanting to praise you, let me praise you. Lorenzo, no, pray thee, let